Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enroll in Medicare online at ssa.gov in just a few minutes. So this is the easiest way to sign up and it helps you avoid getting stuck on some of the confusing questions. So before we start, this guide is for people who are not yet receiving Social Security benefits, that are applying for Medicare for the first time, and have 40 or more quarters of work history. So you also need a My Social Security account at ssa.gov. If you're already getting Social Security before age 65, you don't need to do this because you're enrolled in Part A and Part B automatically and your card is mailed to you. So before we start, first go to ssa.gov. On the home page, click the Medicare square or open the menu, and then go to Benefits and choose Medicare. Then scroll down and click Apply for Medicare Only. Agree to the terms, click Next, start a new application, and choose that you're applying for yourself and confirm that you have a My Social Security account. And then log in and complete the two-step verification. You'll see your name, Social Security number, and date of birth that are already there. So add your gender, answer the questions, and then enter your address, phone, email, language preferences, place of birth, and citizenship type. So next, you'll see a tricky question. So the question is, do you wish to apply for Medicare only but not for monthly retirement cash benefits? So if you choose yes, you are applying for Medicare only, not Social Security checks. And if you choose no, you're applying for both Medicare and Social Security benefits. So in most cases, here we are choosing yes. Then you'll usually answer no to the question about Medicare through someone else's record. So the system will show you a re-entry number. Write it down in case you need to come back later. And then you'll then be asked if you want to enroll in Medicare Part B. So saying yes gives you Part A and Part B, and saying no gives you Part A only. So after that, answer whether you're receiving Medicaid from your state, and then you'll see a question about group health plan coverage, which really means, do you have health insurance from a current employer's group plan? So if you have Cobra retiree coverage or a marketplace plan, that's a no. If you do have coverage based on current employment, choose yes and then fill in the job coverage, dates, or check the box that they haven't ended yet. So on the final page, you can leave a short note. And if you're enrolling during your first enrollment window around age 65, you usually don't need a note. And if you're enrolling later, it helps to write when you want Part B to start. And remembering it always starts on the first of a month. And after that, review the summary page, fix anything that's wrong, and then read the electronic signature section. So check the box to agree and click Submit Now. So on the confirmation page, click View and print your receipt, and either print it or save it as a PDF because that's your only chance to save it. You'll get a confirmation email soon after, and then a letter and your Medicare card in the mail within the next few weeks if everything is fine with your application. You can finish this whole Medicare only application in about 10 minutes once your My Social Security account is ready. So thank you so much for watching, and for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.